How to find internships in LinkedIn.
Optimize profile. Ensure your LinkedIn profile is comprehensive, highlighting your skills and education. Strategic search. Utilize the search bar with specific keywords like internship, and apply filters based on location or industry to refine results. Engage with content. Follow companies of interest and join groups related to your field to stay updated on industry trends and potential opportunities. Set job alerts. Create job alerts for targeted internship criteria to receive notifications on relevant openings. Networking. Connect with professionals in your industry to expand your network. Meaningful connections can sometimes lead to internship opportunities. Direct applications. Apply directly through the careers section on company pages for a more direct and personalized approach. University resources. Explore your university's LinkedIn page for potential internship postings, as some opportunities may be shared there. Remember to actively participate, engage with content, and tailor your communications for a more impactful job search experience.